Well, let's leave it
I
here.
want to take these two trains and put them together to make one train.
You said 9. Let's see.
So you want to take them out, and what do you want to do with them?
I'm sorry? 4 cars? So now I'm going to...
Good train, you think?
It's right by your
Still working on it?
You know that one. Cool.
Are you okay to fire? Should we put it?
You will. Thank you so much.
Should I put it this way then? Do you see a trick here? Do you want to take a guess?
Yeah.
I don't like this.
All right, that is one long, huge tree full of dogs. How many are there altogether?
Okay, how many cars do you think?
How many are there?
That's funny.
How many are there?
Here, I want to show you something.
How can we figure it out?
I'm going to
I don't know.
switch them all up.
Oh,
You mean in your train or your hand?
Count them. All right. So how do you want to count the cars?
full.
I'm gonna count.
Let's find out how many you know.
Let's see.
How many are full? This is full. 1. So you have 3 full and so you have 4 cars. So, and he's gonna need 3 cars. She is.
Keep going. You want your car? 4, so you don't lose half.
Looks like, do you want to eat it? I want to eat it.